What's up, beautiful people? Beautiful people, Mzanzi. Yes, sir, we're playing with Z-Pipes. Z-Pipes, Z-Strong. Listen to this. Woo! Damats! Damats! Every single petrol, na enjoyment. Any single petrol, na enjoyment. Enjoyment. It's a best. I was smoking a vape, bro. I was vaping. I will not say I signal for no. Eyes on I know. I AUD. Oh, can you say any? And I see subscribers, so they can't know. They're not in my VIP group. But yeah, that signal was. I'm looking at it while I'm driving, and it's going deeper into profits. I like it. I love it. It's a beautiful day, guys. I shaved, Guys, I shaved. Yo, I feel naked, Yo, I feel naked. I shaved my njebe. And I actually regret shaving my njebe. Shouldn't have shaved my njebe. Should have kept it. Now I can't do this. You see that? The Range Rover, it's at the crib, it's chilling. I don't drive the Range Rover that much, bro. But it's out here, praat die man ook Afrikaans. Ja, ons praat. Hoe meen jy, bro? Like, ek kan nie soos 'n Afrikaner kan dit nie. Baie mense dink ek kan nie praat nie, maar ek praat. En sê dit hoe dit is. To me and fun, I'm just driving around actually. I don't even know what I'm up to. Well, I'm lying. I came from the Printers because I was at the Printers because I'm going to Namibia and they want like merchandise and stuff. So I just wanted to go get some merch, take it to the Printers, and now I'm gonna go get some food. Alright, my boy, I'll ring you up when I'm free. Trust and believe. Oh, this boy is sight-kissed. Hi, Mar. Yo, guys, look at my skin, Like, yo, guys, stop hating. Look at this boy's skin. Fuck, man. He ras. Who rasik? These are not my live video. Ow. Yeah, suwa me kazi. Suwa. On regular, please. Me, I love food. You guys know me. I'm on my way to get some food right now. Food, baby. Food is life. Vaseline all the way. I have no Vaseline, bruh. This is natural lips. Why are you hating? This is my... Look there. Does it look like I have Vaseline? No Vaseline, bruh. Don't be hating. It's fine if you're a guy and you think I have nice lips. It's okay, bro. It's not a problem. I won't say you're gay. I won't. It's all good, bro. I'm not that guy. See, every time I drive the Golf R, the 7R, I'm bumping. I'm going like this. What do you use for your skincare? So I use that black thing that you put on your face, like that face mask, the black face mask. That's all I use. But I do it like once, twice a week. Depends how I'm feeling, you know. That's how my skin look like that. Skin is glowing like the bank account, baby. Everything glowing. Teeth are white. but I need a dentist. Teeth are white though. Twara request. Yeah, get I twara no mfana. Net I'm driving, boy. Get like twara 2 minutes. You're gonna tell I see them geese to get sharp. Cause no age, I'm like, I'll chase and I've late and what's in the chair. So credit taxi drivers are real marat. A marabaqua diesel in Piazza. Yo. And I'm Marato, Mutu va. Damn, that's a big ass pit bull. Can you reckon if we need you in Cape Town? I got you. I love you. I love you too. If you love me, I love you. If you hate me, shit, I don't give a fuck about you. Cause at the end of the day, it's the love that matters, you know. Mari mata babule le mata ugi. Ergisama sera kamo pele gire yey. No guys, bona ina flow bro. Ergire tate and then yeah, ergina beta best one and I do really, you know. I was like, no, I was live and he didn't burst for me. Ooh. Ergina fafa. Yes. Ay man. Baloi batsui. Ay batsui. Resha visite baloi. Oh yes. What do you use for beard, bro? Like razor? What do you mean? No. I use I use like a razor sometimes. Like I don't have certain days. You know, depends. Hola, need some boys. Hola. Kasi. Am I man? How? Can they get? Hi man. How? I don't know how to speak Zulu. I can only hear it sometimes, but I don't know how to speak Zulu fluently. You keep a strap. I keep 2 straps in case the one jams. Oh! Bo. Woo! Keep 2 straps in case the one jams. Le set your face. La mona get on top. Regamo peli. Atri. Nah, guys, enough love. Second off. I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'm getting a GTA because of me. That's good. Hear the comments. Yeah. Hola. Guys, Ramagas, you know the vibes. Trap high nine, man. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Love you guys, but I gotta leave you. I shifted my head, my whole body, and my spirit in front of that best comes from deep inside. Whoa. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yo, 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 yo. Hola, my fate too. Sharp, 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 my fate. No, 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 no. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's telling you right now. It's too much. Guys, it's too much, this thing, man. It's too much. Hola, boy. Sharp, sharp, brother. What's up? Holla at me on Instagram. Sharp. It's too much, man. Hey, man. Hey, hey. Yeah. It's too much, man. Yeah. Gasoline is expensive. They say if you get to the petrol garage and you say you want full tank, full tank comes with bottles. Hola. They say if you want full tank at the petrol garage, it comes with bottles from Conca. Yeah, petrol is expensive, dog. I know. Petrol is too much expensive, but it's nothing. Wait, it's just fuck off. It's too much. Says she had about how? About this rapper. They say money don't bring happiness, but listen to this, fam. I know. Hi. I miss this car, Make again. I'll make again, my boy. I'll make again. What do you want me to make? Petrol case of speeds in one. Seriously, detail. If you buy full tank unleaded, it must come with bottles from Conca. Ace of spades. Me, I don't play those games. Hi guys, I see you all. I'm in Etheridge, Velus from Peli. Rekamo Pelindaba. Highway now. I got it back yesterday, so I'm just like, testing my baby, driving my baby, seeing what's up in the hood. The cheese and shit. I don't know, you know the vibes. You lost the phone, not enough flop over feet. Second off. Uta! What's it doing again? Save the life, bro. Okay, I don't like saving the life because it goes onto my timeline now. Like, that's so annoying. Why does it do that? I do not know, but it's a beautiful day to make some noise. Woo! Hey! Stay away! Follow my visa. Ooh, M3, goddamn. Highway now, something like M4, sis. How?